Make seasoned baked red potatoes. Potatoes and meat can be a doldrums after a while. However, there are ways so the combination won't be bland. Seasoned baked red potatoes might be the answer to your bored dining table. Below are steps and guides on how to make seasoned baked red tomatoes. Ingredients that you need. You need baby red potatoes, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, vegetable or canola oil, and Cajun seasoning blend. Pick the freshest and best grade potatoes available because there can be a taste distinction if you'll use a lower grade bunch. You can grate onion and garlic instead of using powdered spices. You can also use other oil types. It depends on your preference. Prepare the potatoes. Cut the baby potatoes in half, then line them on a cookie sheet. Their cut side must be facing upwards. Only use bigger red potatoes if there aren't red baby potatoes. Cut the bigger potatoes in quarters, then line them on a cookie sheet. Their skin side must be facing downwards. Pour enough oil on the potatoes. This will make the spices stick to the potatoes better. Use a brush to put oil on the potatoes if you want to lessen the grease of your recipe. Pour the spices on the potatoes. There is no specific spice measurement for this recipe. You can use more garlic than onion and vice versa. You can also make your own Cajun seasoning blend to suit your taste. You can use rosemary, thyme, and basil instead of onion and garlic if you prefer. The important matter in this dish is for it to be spicy. Dip your finger in the mixed spices, then lick your finger to determine if you're satisfied with the taste. Add more spice to your liking if needed. Bake the potatoes. Bake them on 350° F. Stick a fork into the potatoes to determine if they're already tender. The potatoes are already cooked if there is no resistance in the fork. Cooking time will depend on the potato sizes. Check the tenderness of the potatoes every 15 minutes. Huge potatoes might be tender after 30 to 60 minutes. Grill the potatoes as alternative. Use this procedure if you want a roasted taste. Cover the potatoes with a foil, then place them in the center grill. Be careful to not make a hole because the oil might drip and the flame can burn the potatoes. Serve your seasoned baked red potatoes. This recipe can be a side dish, main meal, or appetizer. You can serve it with fish, chicken, pork, or beef. The combination of spice will complement any meat-based dish. This recipe goes well with wines. Try other red potato recipe. You might be surprised that you can make different succulent recipes through baked red potatoes. Try making herb roasted red potatoes, red potato salad recipe, red potatoes with purslane, roasted potato, and green bean salad, among others. Try them after you've mastered making perfect seasoned baked red potatoes. Seasoned baked red potatoes is a delicious, healthy, and easy recipe to prepare. You can prepare it if you have guests. This is also your chance to amaze people who dislike potatoes. They will be delighted after they have tasted this wonderful dish.